This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2004 Mazda 2 Maxx, stock reference number 5629. This shape runs from the 12th month 2002 through to the 5th month 2005. It has a ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. ZY 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 3 small dents, left rear door has 3 large dents, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left hand tail light, right hand tail light, right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater control, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.